How to fix stolen device protection not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Face ID and Passcode. After you land to this page, scroll down. Now in this page, you will be able to find the option of Stolen Device Protection. You can toggle on for the option, and with that you will be good to go. In the case you cannot find that option in this page, what you have to do is you can set up Face ID. Likewise, you can enable passcode for your device. Toggle on for all these options. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards another solution, head back to the main page of settings. Now head towards the option of screen time. Navigate to the option of content and privacy restrictions. Toggle off for the option of content and privacy restrictions. Likewise, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down. Open this option privacy and security. Navigate to the option of location services. Now click on this option system services. Click on this option of significant locations. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of significant locations. After you check all these settings, head back to the main page of settings. Navigate to the option of general. Scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix stolen device protection not showing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.